Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe and hit the like button. The Aion V is an electric compact crossover CUV produced by Aion, a brand under the Guangzhou Automobile Corporation. This model represents Aion's third offering following the S and LX and is the brand's second CUV. The Aion V is available in 4 trim levels: V60, V70 and V80 Max. According to new European driving cycle, these variants offer ranges of 400 km, 530 km and 600 km respectively. The car is equipped with a CATL lithium-ion battery and boasts advanced features like Huawei 5G connectivity and V2X communication systems. The vehicle offers a range of customizable features including a two-tone paint option and choices for the antenna and spoiler colors. The Aion V Plus, introduced in September 2021 as an upgraded version of the Aion V, features a revamped exterior with redesigned front and rear styling. The vehicle's dimensions measure 182 inches in length, 75 inches in width and 67 inches in height, with a wheelbase of 111 inches. The front bumper design has been simplified with design inspiration drawn from Star Wars characters. Inside, the vehicle features a separate digital dashboard and a 15.6-inch touch-enabled infotainment display. The Aion V Plus offers multiple battery options ranging from 70 to 95 kWh, supporting NEDC rated ranges of 500 to 702 km. All variants feature dual electric motors with power outputs ranging from 221 PS and in the base model to 271 PS in the top spec version. The Aion V Plus offers a rapid charging battery option capable of charging from 30% to 80% in just 10 minutes, equivalent to a 0 to 80% charging time of 60 minutes. This high-speed charging capability is made possible by a 72.3 kilowatt battery. Charging for just 5 minutes provides an additional 112 km of range. This version of the battery is referred to as Speed Plus. Furthermore, a battery variant with even faster charging known as Speed Double Plus was announced. Charging from 5 minutes with Speed Double Plus is expected to provide 270 km of range, although this version hasn't yet been released to the market. The interior of the Aion V Plus features a sleek and tech-forward design. It has replaced the dual-screen setup of the Aion V with 2 independent floating screens. The central control screen is a substantial 15.6 inches in size, offering an 82% screen-to-body ratio. This design exudes a strong sense of technology. The 12.3-inch full LSD instrument cluster with its floating design adds to the futuristic ambience of the vehicle. The steering wheel is thoughtfully designed with metal and plastic materials, offering a satisfying tactile feel. Its controls are well organized, with multimedia controls on the left and options to adjust the dashboard, display content, and control adaptive cruise functions on the right. The Aion V Plus intelligent operating system is based on the Android platform, supporting over-the-air upgrades. It impresses with its rapid boot time of around 2 seconds from vehicle start. Additionally, the system includes a convenient electronic user manual accessible from the setting menu. The vehicle incorporates intelligent monitoring features including face recognition for system login, fatigue monitoring, and responsive actions like adjusting volume when the co-driver speaks. It also provides a 360-degree panoramic view and a 540-degree transparent chassis function. This model also features a VP autonomous parking, a rare feature in its class, which allows the vehicle to autonomously move from a parking space to the owner's location. The Aion V Plus allows a remote control via the Aion mobile app, offering features like turning on the air condition and engine remotely. The car machine system openness. The system comes with numerous built-in apps and supports application market downloads, providing a range of customization options. This model uses Baidu Map for navigation, offering multiple activation methods including touchscreen and voice activation. However, the speech recognition rate may need improvement. It offers efficient route planning but could be faster, possibly depending on network speed. So this is the end of our short review. Please write your comments, write your opinion in comment section. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.